Rockabye Chatsworth. How are you, Chatsworth?
Exhausted. I've been rushed off my wheels all day.
Oh, dear.
Chatsworth to be. Any more work for me to do?
Not at the moment, Chatsworth.
Well, in that case, I think I'll have a little nap.
Line your car up under the chute, Owen, and let's get you loaded.
Aha! There's so much dust, and I've just had a lovely tug wash and my paintwork polished.
Calm down, Owen. The rocks won't go anywhere near you.
Are you sure? I don't want to tip my paintwork, dear.
Of course I am. Here we go.
Oh!
What are you doing?
I've had a much better idea. I'll have V send someone else. Bye-bye.
But Owen!
Destination Snoozington.
Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Who's it? Not you!
Woohoo!
Chug, chug, choo, choo. Who's it? Not you!
Could you play somewhere else? I am trying to rest.
Sorry, Chatsworth.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Can't catch me! Watch me! Go, Coco! Hurry up then, Slowpoke! Go, Coco! Go, Coco!
Oh, I don't believe it. Could you keep it down? I'm trying to sleep.
You won't catch me. This is about as much fun as having an elephant in your engine. Are your wheels washed with worms? Yuck. Or your cab crammed with custard.
Not yet! Please? Ah, peace at last.
And it'll take me forever to get the grime out of my pressure valves as it is.
Oh, I see. Well, maybe I could ask Chatsworth. Chatsworth to platform 1.
This just isn't my day.
Couldn't help overhearing that you need someone who's not afraid of getting his wheels dirty.
Yes,
Then I'm your chugger.
thanks.
Ooh, can I tag along, Harrison? Please? That would be the most fun ever.
I don't see why not. Always glad to give a young chugger the chance to learn from a master.
I'm here, V.
Oh, Harrison is taking that job now. But actually, I do need someone to do a run to Tootington.
Okay, V.
Whoa! What was that?
Breaking with style.
No, I
Hey,
meant...
you two.
Ah, Karen, load me up. Watch and learn, Wilson. Watch and learn.
What a day!
You have been running around a lot.
Yes, I'm surprised I haven't overheated.
All done, Harrison. Could you drop him off at the stoneworks, please?
It'd be my pleasure, Karen. Come on now, Wilson.
Harrison, did you hear that?
The countryside is full of strange noises. Nothing to worry about.
But it sounds like it's following us.
Peace at last.
Oh, it's good to take the weight off my wheels.
Oh, yes.
You won't believe the day I've had.
Really?
Well, it started nicely enough with a lovely tug wash and polish.
Uh-huh.
That Laurie is such a sweet girl.
Huh.
Then, out of the blue, V sent me to the quarry of all places. And you know, Chatsworth,
Actually, I'm really kind of
I'm not
tired.
one to switch tracks when it comes to hard work. But I think sometimes you have to draw the line. But I have to say that V was
Stop
so
talking.
upset
No.
about it.
Please, please.
didn't have to wait up.
Actually, I had just gone to sleep.
Oh, sorry, Chatsworth. Still, you'll soon drop out again. I know I will. Good night.
What the ratchets is that? Harrison? Harrison? Harrison!
What?
You are snoring.
Snoring? Don't be ridiculous.
Well, you were. And I'd be more than grateful if you would stop.
Snoring indeed. It was probably Owen.
It's going to be a long night.
What's that terrible noise?
Oh, no!
What on earth is that sound?
Time to wake up, Chuggington.
What a glorious day. I trust we all slept well.
No!
No! No!
No one got any sleep at all thanks to your snoring.
Chatsworth, how many times do I have to tell you? I don't snore.
I heard you. Snoring, fit to blast birds out of the sky and chuggers off the rails.
But don't be ridiculous.
Well, if you don't believe me, how about we go to the repair shed right now and get this thing settled?
All right, you're on. And while we're there, we'll get Morgan to check out your hearing.
Brakes in excellent working order. Primary suspension in excellent working order. Fault detected. Fault detected. Unidentified objects in drain reservoir.
What's it talking about?
Looks like you have rocks in there, Harrison.
I haven't been near any rocks.
Well, what were you doing at the quarry? Bird watching?
Come on. Let's get you on the rotator and take a look.
Oh, no. Will they scratch my bodywork?
Well, that will be the least of your worries if I don't get some sleep tonight.
Don't leave me.
I knew it. It was rocks. Wait till I tell Owen.
All done, Harrison. You can open your eyes now. I don't think you'll rattle anymore.
Thanks for being so gentle, Morgan. I'll go and tell Chatsworth the good news. Oh, Chatsworth, where are you? Got it, yes.
I said you do everyone's work while they all had a nap.
Oh, haha. I suppose that's only fair, V. After all, I slept like a rock.
Yes. Harrison to platform 1. Hurry up, Harrison. There's a pickup for you at the farm after that.
Up, Wilson.
Can't catch me! Here I come, Slowpoke! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Hey, settle down, you two. It's time to go to your roundhouses.
Aw, can we have another 10 minutes, please?
You need an early night, Wilson. You have your first mail run tomorrow.
Oh, I forgot. Come on, Wilson, I'll race you! Hey, no fair! Wait for me! I'm the winner! Choo-choo! Only because you had a head start. Let's make faces. I'll beat you at that, too. But I really should get some sleep. This will beat you. Hey, keep it down, will you? Some of us are trying to rest. Sorry, Brewster. Yeah, we know you need your beauty sleep. Some of us had a really busy day. Sorry, Brewster. Night-night. Don't let the rust bugs bite. Go to bed, will you? Bet I can stay awake longer than you. Bet you can. Then it's a bet. Look, I'm wide awake. Me too. Coco, you still awake? Yep. I heard that yawn. I'm going to win. I'm going to win. You awake? Coco? Hooray. I won.
Time to wake up, Chuggington.
Rise and shine, Wilson. Oh no, it can't be time to get up. Don't you have a job to do? Oh no, I completely forgot.
Wilson, to the rolling stockyard, please.
Good luck.
Morning, Wilson. Ready to do your first mail run?
Yes, Dunbar.
You've practiced with this mail car lots of times before. Remember, just open the door, drop the net, and then scoop up the sack.
Yes, Dunbar. Drop, drawers, hoop.
Good luck, Wilson!
You have to pick up a mail sack from each station on the Green Line and deliver them to the processing center by noon.
Yep.
And remember, Wilson, this job is all about being on time. If you're late, you really let people down.
Yes, V.
Wilson!
Sorry, I'm raring to go. See you later, V.
Oh my. That yawn is contagious.
Unscheduled stop. Hey, Brewster, watch the Sleeping Beauty over there.
I think she and Wilson stayed up very late. You should see Wilson. He can hardly keep his eyes open. Pick up number 1. Gotcha. I could do this in my sleep. Ugh, red light. Got to stop. Think I'll give my eyes a little rest while I wait for the green light.
Special announcement. Shift your chassis, Wilson. That light's been green for ages.
Oops. Sorry, Emery.
Well, if you hadn't stayed up half the night, maybe you wouldn't be dozing.
Uh-oh. Missed. Gotcha.
Hey, watch out, Wilson. Your door's open, look.
Thanks, Eddie. It's nice and dark in here. Just like my snuggly roundhouse. Maybe I should take a break before my next pick.
Wilson, where are you?
The last time I saw him, he was heading into this tunnel, V. But come to think of it, I don't remember him coming back out.
Thanks, Eddie. Wilson! Are you in there? Wilson!
I'm here, V.
Wilson, you're running very late.
Don't worry, V. I'll catch up.
Remember, the mail has to be delivered on time.
Oh, no. Why did I stay up so late when I had something so important to do? I'm all charged up and ready to roll.
I'm really worried about Wilson. He's so sleepy. He's never going to get to the processing center on time.
He'd better. Oh, if he misses the deadline, the mail won't go out for another day.
I know, and people won't be happy.
Oh no! Wilson's tired because I kept him up so late. I better go see if I can help him.
We can't wait for him. Even if he gets here in the next few minutes, there won't be time to sort the mail.
Oh, I better get going.
Wilson! Huh? Hi, Coco. Is it morning already? Did I win? Wake up, Wilson! You're late! What? We should have been at the center ages ago. Oh no! I've got to shift my gears. I'm here.
I'm afraid you're too late, Wilson. Chatsworth has already taken the mail to the branch stations.
Oh no! I'm so sorry.
The Chuggington mail has never been late before.
I feel so bad. What if we get the mail sorted now and I take it to all the branch stations?
It's a good idea, but I don't know. It would probably take you an awfully long time.
But it's my fault that I was late, and I want to put things right. If I work really hard, I might still make it.
Suppose we've got nothing to lose. All right, Wilson, let's do it.
Great. I promise I won't let you down again.
Oh, there you are.
I did it, V. I got all the mail delivered.
Good job, Wilson. I'm proud of you for putting things right.
I'm sorry I let everyone down. It won't happen again. I promise.
Good. I hope you've learned something today.
Yes, V. Sleep is really important.
Yes, it is. Without a good rest, it's hard to do things the right way.
I know, V. So I'm having an early night. I'm doing the mail run again tomorrow. And this time, I'm gonna get there early.
Good for you, Wilson.
Night-night, V.
Night-night.
Wilson gets a wash.
Okay, Brewster. We'll hide. You seek.
Cool! 1, 2, 3. 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. I can see you, Coco.
Oh.
But where's Wilson? He's just disappeared. Okay, Wilson. I give up. Woo! Woohoo! Here I am, Brewster. Wilson, you're the best hidey chugger ever.
Attention, trainees. Report to the training yard, please.
Wheels to the rails.
Today, you're going to learn to brake in different weather conditions using the emergency stop section.
That's great. I've been wanting to try that out forever.
You never know what conditions you're going to find out there on the rails, so it's best to be prepared.
First, you're going to brake with leaves on the track. Ready, Callie?
Absolutely.
Huh?
Something's not right.
Maybe something's stuck. It seems to be working okay now, Dunbar.
Well, for being so helpful, Brewster can try braking first.
Aw, I wanted to go first.
Good job, Brewster. How did it feel?
They made it harder to grip, and they're kind of crunchy.
Exactly. Okay, Coco's turn.
I want to go second.
Not bad, not bad. But you need a little more control next time.
Okie dokie. My turn, my turn. Here I come. Ugh, I can't see a thing.
Much slower next time, Wilson. Now, let's try it on a wet track. That's enough, Callie. Thanks.
Easy does it when you brake on wet rails. They're more slippery than leaves.
Good work, trainees. You all handled that really well. So next we'll try stopping in mud.
Wow! Why do boys like to get so muddy?
Okay, Wilson, that's enough. All of you report back to Lori for a cleanup.
Aw, but I was just getting all nice and muddy.
You're not gonna have your usual hand wash today.
Hooray.
But who wants to be the first to go into the chug wash?
The chug wash?
Wow, what's that?
It's an automatic washer that you drive into. Kind of like a great big shower for chuggers.
Ooh. Oh, no. Shh, Peckham. I'm trying to get out of going into that shower thingy. Exactly. I feel the same way. Let's get out of here.
Hey there, Wilson. Aren't you supposed to be in the chug wash?
Yeah, but, the wash thingy is, broken.
It is? I better take a look. I'll just get my tools.
Good idea. Whew. That was close, Peckham. Look at all this really cool garbage.
Gangway coming through. Refuse to recycle.
It's Irving. Come on, let's hide.
Okay, watch your backs. And we're dipping, dipping. Marvelous. Well done, Irving. Another splendid dip. Come on now, Irving. Busy.
I really am the best hidey chugger. And you're the best hidey woofer.
And now the dryer.
Train-tastic!
It's tickling me.
Oh, so it's working now?
Huh?
But Wilson said the chug wash was broken.
Oh, did he? Well, why would he say that? Unless he was trying to get out of it.
Where is Wilson? Woohoo! Look, Peckham! Let's make that grass fly up and stick all over us. Messy, grassy, mess. Ha-ha! Hooray! Woohoo! Whoa! That was close. I nearly got clean.
Nope, he's not at the rolling stockyard.
And he's not at the roundhouses.
Don't worry, we'll find him.
And bring him back for his wash.
Ha-ha! Hooray! Woohoo! There he is. Oh, Wilson, it's wash time. No way. Wilson, come back.
Where'd he go?
Here I am. Oh, he's not here either.
I don't know why he doesn't want to get clean.
Because muddy is more fun. Oh, where is he? He just disappeared.
That's because he's the best hidey chugger ever.
Then maybe we need to get Wilson to come to us.
Huh?
Come on, we need the leaf blower.
Look at all those leaves. Ah! I can't see a thing. Ah! Brewster! It's wash time, Wilson. Gotcha. Hey, let me go. Sorry, Wilson. No! No! Please don't make me. It's okay, Wilson. It's really fun. That tickles. I'm squeaky clean. Actually, it feels quite nice. Told you so.
Well, look at you three. You're sparkling. I can see my face in your paintwork. Peckham, you've got Wilson all dirty again.
That's okay, Lori. I'll just go back into the chug wash. Hey, I want another turn. Peckham, come and jump on me.
Me too. I'm here, Peckham. Switch it on again, Lori. Time to get squeaky clean again. Here come the bubbles.
Late again, Eddie.
Chatsworth to platform 3, please.
Where is Eddie?
Come on, Eddie. Don't be late again today.
Morning, Morgan. I brought your eggs. They were freshly laid this morning.
Thanks, Felix.
I was hoping Zeffie could give me a ride home. I've got some new calves to feed.
Zeffie's not here, but maybe Hodge can take you. Hodge!
What's up?
Could you run Felix back to the farm, please?
Of course I can. But what if Eddie needs me?
Don't worry about Eddie. I'll tell him. If he ever shows up.
Okay. All aboard!
Thanks for the ride. Would you like to see the new calves?
I'd like to. Oh, but Eddie will be waiting for me, so I better hit the rails.
Well, maybe next time. If you're in a hurry, why don't you take the shortcut?
What shortcut?
You go under the bridge, you take the second turn on the left, and that'll take you back to the green tunnel.
Good one. Thanks, Felix. See ya.
Oh, I am so late.
Preparing to stop.
I'm really sorry, Morgan. I missed my connection and then...
Look, Eddie, you can't keep being late for work.
I know. I'll be on time tomorrow. I promise.
I wonder if Dunbar knows that a piece of his rolling stock is missing. I'm back. Hey, what's wrong?
I was late for work again.
Yeah, I know. It's a shame you live so far away. Couldn't you move to Chuggington?
But I can't afford a place on my own yet, Hodge. That's why I still live with my parents.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna sleep in the workshop tonight.
Good idea. You can't be late if you're already here.
Exactly. What's that?
Callie has an emergency call out. It happens most nights.
How do you sleep with that racket going on?
You get used to it after a while.
Oh, I've got to get some sleep or I'll be no use at work tomorrow. Even if I am here on time.
Let's count sheep, Eddie.
Oh, okay. Anything's worth a try.
1,
2,
3,
496. 497.
please.
Hello? Anyone in there? I don't believe it.
Morning, Morgan. See? Ta-da! Told you I'd be here on time today.
But the morning's half gone, Eddie.
What? Oh, no! I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Come on, hurry up. There's a signal that needs fixing.
You're right. Life would be a lot simpler if I lived in Chuggington. But somewhere quiet.
So I came up with a plan. I need you all to help me find a quiet home for Eddie in Chuggington.
No problem. Of course we will. Let's start now.
And remember, not a word to Eddie.
Ooh, that could work. Too late. Belongs to someone else. Room for one more in there, Peckham? This seems quiet.
Yeah, with a little work, this could be nice.
Maybe not.
You didn't find a thing.
Me neither. Oh, bumpers. Morgan has such a nice house.
Huh? Wait a minute. I've seen something like that before.
Eddie can't live all the way out here.
He doesn't have to. It has wheels, so it can go anywhere.
Oh, yeah, of course. And I can tow it back to the depot.
But Eddie would see it, and I want to surprise him.
Wait! I know someone who could keep Eddie out of the way for us.
Do you really think you could pull it out from those vines, Brewster?
Easy peasy. It's really stuck. Oh, won't move. Ooh, careful, Brewster. Hooray!
That's it, Brewster. Oh no, Eddie's new home. It's ruined.
Where did you say this broken light was, Zeffie?
Just up here somewhere? Wait a minute. I bet Morgan could fix this.
I don't know. Morgan's not too happy with Eddie right now.
Well, it's worth a try. Yeah, and if it stops Eddie from being late, it will make Morgan happy.
Okay, I'll ask him.
I think it's down here, Eddie.
Are you sure, Zeffie? This line hasn't been open for years.
Whoops. You're right. Sorry.
We seem to be going around in circles.
Really?
So we really need your help, Morgan.
It's a really nice idea, Hodge, but it'd be a lot of work.
I could give you a hand, Morgan.
Well, okay. You've twisted my arm.
Terrific. Amazing! Just wait till Eddie sees it.
Here he comes.
I can't believe we couldn't find that broken light. This really isn't my day.
Oh, yes it is, Eddie. Turn around. Surprise!
What's this?
It's for you.
Huh?
It's your new home, Eddie.
What? This cool carriage is for me?
Yeah, Hodge found it.
And everyone helped fix it up.
I can't believe it. My very own place. Oh, thanks a million, everyone.
And it has wheels. so you can put it anywhere you like.
I'll put it somewhere near here, close to my friends. Hey! Home sweet home.
Yeah, now you'll never be late again, Eddie.
Bang, clang, Wilson.
Time to pick up your ice cream cars, trainees.
Yeah!
And remember, if you learn to use them correctly, you'll earn your ice cream badge.
Wheels to the rail!
Good morning, young chuggers. Your ice cream cars are waiting.
Wow! They're so cool!
Yeah, they're double wow! They're double wow with sprinkles on top!
Okay, youngsters, get yourselves buckled up.
All buckled up!
Time to give them a try.
Train-tastic! Oh! That sounds terrible! Here comes Wilson Teeny to make some ice cream. Huh? What happened?
You broke it.
We better get Morgan to have a look at it. Can you tow it to the repair shed, Wilson?
I suppose. But what am I gonna use now?
I'll have to think about that. We only have these 3 cars.
There you go, Pete. How does the oil change feel?
It's taken years off me, Morgan. I feel like I'm 100 again.
Hi, Wilson. What can I do for you?
It's my ice cream car. It went pop, bang, fizz, and stopped working.
That doesn't sound good. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. You blew a circuit board. I'll have to order a new one.
But I can't earn my ice cream badge if I don't have a car.
Oh, good job, Coco. That's the ticket.
I'm getting the hang of this.
I'm not.
Wait a minute. I think I can help.
Really?
Yes. Follow me, young William.
It's Wilson.
Oh, yes, so it is. Hurry up now. Whistle.
You need help, Pete?
No, Tyson. I found what I was looking for. It's a good thing my memory is so sharp. Now, close your eyes. You can open them now. Surprise!
What's that?
My old ice cream wagon. I'm going to lend it to you, Wilbur.
Thanks.
Stop it! Honking horns.
So, what do you think?
It's quite old, isn't it?
It might be old, but it works just great. Well, it did last time I tried it. About 30 years ago. Back in my day, I'd zoom up to the station and give out a vanilla cone, and then zoom along to the next one to dish out a double strawberry delight.
Everyone will laugh at me if I use this.
Of course, it's not fancy like the modern ice cream cars, but it won't let you down.
I guess I don't have a choice if I want my badge. Thanks, Pete.
You're welcome, young Watson.
It's just too complicated.
Want to swap with me, Brewster? Mine's much simpler.
Not sure. Okay, let's swap. Are you sure this is easy to use?
Oh, yeah, easy peasy.
Attention, trainees. We have a very special guest to test you for your ice cream badges.
Wow! Who could it be?
It's Frostini!
Hooray!
Ciao, chuggers.
I must be dreaming. Nope, not dreaming.
Do my eyes deceive me? A classic vintage cone meister.
Yeah, it's an old heap, isn't it?
I would give my right finder to have this in my collection.
Actually, it's mine. I was just letting Brewster try it. We're swapping back after he's gone, okay?
Well, I must compliment you on your excellent taste. And I admire you for taking on such a difficult machine.
Thanks.
Okay, you have the rest of the morning to practice. Then I'll be back to test you. And I can't wait to see that magnifico machine in action. Ciao.
Oh, bumpers. Eddie, want to be my first customer?
Mm-hmm. Sure do, Coco.
What flavor?
Oh, chocolate chip, please.
Okie dokie. Here come the sprinkles.
Whoops. That's okay, Coco. Hey, you did really well. Yummy.
Pete, I can't get it to make any ice cream cones.
You just have to be gentle with it, young warthog. Let's take a look. Now send out a scoop of ice cream. Easy does it.
Okay, here it comes.
Good shot, Walnut.
Sorry. Oh, I just can't do it. I'm never gonna earn my ice cream badge.
Trainees, report to the depot. Frostini is here to test you.
Oh, no! Brewster, let's swap again.
No way. I finally worked out how to use this one.
Buongiorno, chuggers. Time for the big test. And I have brought you some tough customers.
Yay!
Now let's see what you can do.
I'll go first. Vanilla cone, please. It's no use. I'll never be able to do that. I may as well just put this card back in the yard.
Finished already, Wimple?
No, I'm not going to take the test, Pete. Everyone will laugh at me, and I'll look silly in front of Frostini.
Now, hold on there, Widget. You can't just give up at the first junction. Handling the Cone Meister is an art. You have to master it.
But how?
Become one with the machine. That's what the great Frostini does.
Frostini? Really?
Of course! Now fire her up! Find the rhythm. That's it! Can you feel it?
Yes! Bang, clang, bang, bang!
Give it all you've got.
Bang, clang, bang, bang! Bang, clang, bang, bang! Bang, clang, bang, bang! Bang, clang, bang, bang! Wow! Did you see that?
Yes. Come on, Wilson. Show us that magnifico machine in action.
Here goes.
What a cone! Bellissimo!
Can I have one too? I wasn't sure about getting a cone from that old thing. But it's the best one I've ever tasted. It might be old, but it works just great.
Trainees, you are magnifico! You all get your ice cream back.
Hooray! Yay! We did it! We did it!
Hey, Wilson, could you teach me how to use this old beauty?
Me? Teach you? Wowzer! Yay!
Time